Hello everyone. Today's project is important. We are tackling a common car issue. We will replace a wheel bearing and hub assembly. This job can seem daunting, but I will guide you through each step. You can do this yourself and save money on mechanic fees. First, safety is always number one. Wear safety glasses and use gloves. Make sure your car is on a level surface. Use jack stands, never rely only on a jack. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental starts or electrical issues. Let's talk tools. You will need a jack and jack stands. A lug nut wrench or impact gun is essential. A ratchet and socket set will be necessary. A torque wrench is absolutely vital for proper tightening. A breaker bar can help with stubborn bolts. A pry bar might be useful, along with a hammer or mallet. Rust penetrant spray is your friend, especially on older vehicles. Of course, you'll need your new wheel bearing and hub assembly. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process. First, prepare the vehicle. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel while the car is still on the ground. Then, jack up the car safely and place jack stands under the frame. Remove the wheel completely. Next, you'll need to access the hub. You will see the brake caliper. Remove the two bolts holding the caliper. Gently slide the caliper off and hang it with a bungee cord or wire. Do not let it hang by the brake line. Remove the caliper bracket bolts, then take off the brake rotor. It might be stuck, so use a hammer to tap it loose. Now, locate the large axle nut in the center. This nut is usually very tight. Use your breaker bar or impact gun to remove the axle nut. You might need to pry off a dust cap first. Next, look behind the hub assembly. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts that hold the hub to the steering knuckle. These can be tricky to reach. Use your ratchet and sockets to remove these bolts. The old assembly might be seized. Use rust penetrant spray and let it soak for a bit. Then, use a hammer to tap the old hub assembly out. Hit the back of the hub. Be careful not to damage other parts. Now, it's time to install the new hub assembly. Clean the mounting surface thoroughly. Apply a thin layer of anti-seize. Slide the new hub assembly into place, aligning the bolt holes. Insert the new hub assembly bolts and tighten them by hand first. Then, torque them to your car's specific manufacturer specifications. This is crucial for safety and longevity. Finally, reassemble everything. Reinstall the axle nut and torque it to the manufacturer's specification. Put the brake rotor back on. Reinstall the caliper bracket and torque those bolts. Slide the brake caliper back on and reinstall the caliper bolts, torquing them properly. Put the wheel back on and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the car completely. Torque the lug nuts to specification. Test drive your car carefully. Listen for any strange noises and check for proper braking. Remember, torque specs are vital for all fasteners. That's it. You have successfully replaced your wheel bearing and hub assembly. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching today. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends who might need it. Subscribe to the channel for more DIY car repair videos. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time.